organization gears toward providing opportunities for learning, for networking, for volunteerism, and for meeting the needs of the community. The Women's Club maintains a Victoria home that has Cedar Falls history abounding in the home. But we also provide an intimate and unique space for groups in the area to hold meetings, to hold conventions. Cedar Falls Main Street had their convention there. We have district conventions. So it provides a variety of choices, plus individual choices for people to meet, like weddings and baby showers and all those kind of activities. And the COVID-19 really has hurt everyone, but it has hurt the Women's Club in the fact that we had so many events that were postponed or canceled. And we do keep our home up to date, try to, with money that comes in from the events. It's been wonderful to have this grant because we've been able to update a freezer that is over 37 years old. And a lot of the food preparation and in the kitchen is important because that's what draws in our money-making events that we provide to the community. So an updated and good freezer is so necessary because then it allows us to provide the services to the community. Very, very muchly appreciative of this grant that we received.